Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Rutaba channel. Today we are going to draw the flower. So let's get begin. First I draw the circle. Then I start the drawing of petals. Now friends, let's come and color the rainbow flower together. Firstly, I color it light blue. Then I take red. Dark pink. In the fourth, I take orange. I take mint green. Now I take dark blue. Then purple. Lastly, I take lemon. For the center of flower, I take dark green. Awesome! Friends, our rainbow flower is completed. It looks very awesome. If you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.